Okay, and welcome back. Students taking Math for Business and Finance and Math Applications, Chapter 8, Summary Practice Test. Only have two more problems to go, number 10 and 11. Right, number 10. The muffin shop makes no fat blueberry muffins that cost 70 cents each. The muffin shop knows that 15% of the muffins will spoil. If the muffin shop wants a 40% markup on cost and produces 800 muffins, what should the muffin shop price each muffin? Okay, we had two problems that were very similar to this. Let's see if I can't find them. Come on. Where was them? Okay, so we had problems 8-29 was talking about cookies. And let's see here. Problem 8-38. So if you want, you can go back to those two problems and look those up to see problems that were very similar to this. Okay, so we're looking at let's see here. The blueberry muffins cost 70 cents each, and 15% will spoil, and we want a 40% markup on the cost, and they produce 800 muffins. So my total sales would be my total cost plus my total markup. And the reason why we're talking about total is because we're going to discard 15% of them. In other words, we're not going to sell the full 800 muffins. So we want to know what our total sales is. So in our total sales, our total cost is, let's see here, 800 times the 70 cents. And that would be plus our total markup, which would be 40% of that 800 times 70 cents. So 800 times 70 cents is 560. So this is 560. That's our cost. So our total sales is equal to 560 plus 40% of the 560. So our total sales is 560 plus 40% of 560 is 224. And so our total sales is $784. Now, we know that we're not going to sell 800 muffins. Okay, 15% of those go bad, or they'll spoil, they'll go bad. So 15% of 800 is 120. So 800 minus the 120 muffins that go bad means they're going to sell 680 muffins in total. Right? So now, if we know that our total sales is going to be 784, and we divide that by our 680 muffins, our sale per muffin, 784 divided by 680 ends up being $1.15 per muffin. Okay. Again, this one had gotten just a little bit more complicated, only due to the fact that we had to do the math for the costs here in our total cost and our markup. But simpler examples are, again, 829 and 838. And so go back and watch those and then come back to this one. It ends up being basically the same thing. Right now, problem number 11. Angel Corporation produces calculators selling for $25.99. Its unit cost is $18.95, and has a fixed. So what is the break-even point? Okay, break-evens. Let's see here. We had a break-even problem on 8-31, and we had a break-even on 841. And in this case here, I do highly suggest that you go back and watch those videos in order to get a little bit better understanding of the concept behind the break-even and the contribution margin formula. Okay, so we have break-even is equal to the fixed cost over the contribution margin, and our contribution margin is equal to the selling price minus the variable cost. So our selling price is $25.99 and our cost is $18.95. So our contribution margin is $7.04. So when we plug that into our break-even formula, we have our fixed cost of $80,960, and we're dividing that by the $7.04 of the contribution margin, and that gives us 11,500 units as our final answer. So yeah, definitely go back and watch those two videos and check out those two problems in order to be able to see my thinking about doing this break-even. Right? And with that said, we're done with the practice test, and I will see you in Chapter 9, which has to deal with payroll.